I'm Zach, and this is Vision Swell, where we talk about products and principles for a simple, serene life. And as I've mentioned in other videos, I am not an absolutist. And while I'm a minimalist, I prioritize personal item-only travel, I prioritize minimalism in my life, I recognize that not everyone feels that way, and that's totally fine. I only worry about my own life. If you're a maximalist, no hate on you. So anyway, I wanted to do this video because I'm married to a maximalist. She's not a hoarder by any means, she doesn't have an excessive amount of stuff, but she's a person that likes more things, much more things, than what I would prefer to own. So we're going to go over my toiletry kit loadout and her toiletry kit loadout, so you can see the difference between how a minimalist, a bald minimalist, packs his toiletry kit versus how a maximalist with hair and makeup and things that I don't necessarily need in my life. And you can compare and see how two different toiletry kits can work for you, depending on how you like to pack. Let's check it out. As I've mentioned before, I'm a personal item only minimalist traveler. My wife travels 2-bag. Me, I just go with the personal item backpack, throw it under the seat, and I'm good to go. So let's compare the way that we load out our toiletry kits individually. Here's mine first, which is the Air Dop Kit. Love this thing, really nice minimal Dop Kit. In the outer pocket, I just have my toothbrush, and I've been absolutely loving this Surrey toothbrush. All the heads on this are actually vegetable-based, so is the cover for it, and they'll actually recycle them for you. So I think they have a really awesome commitment to sustainability. It's a great little electric toothbrush, and it also comes with an additional charging case that allows you to use a UV light on it to kind of clean the bristles when you're not using it. And then there's a magnetic mirror mount as well as just a magnetic charger in general. So really, really nice for the price. Loving these toothbrushes so far. Then I just have a travel-sized thing of toothpaste. And that's it for the outer compartment. Moving to the inside. In the zipper mesh pocket in here. Got my Sea to Summit laundry line for sink laundry. Sea to Summit laundry leaves for sink laundry. 2 little Human Gear Go tubs. One with my beard wash and one with my beard balm. As well as a cologne atomizer with some of my favorite cologne, which in this case is the Tom Ford Ombre. That's it on this side. On the other side, I just have some flossers. 2 little gravel bottles, one with sunscreen and one with face wash. My travel-sized Squatch deodorant, as well as my Matador soap case with a bar of soap. And that's it for me. So you can see, it's very lightweight, even with my sink laundry kit. Not bulky, not overstuffed. Just a super minimal kit for a bald man, a bald minimalist. Works out perfectly for me. She took my gravel pouch that was way too big for me. This is the Gravel Explorer, and this thing is a beastly, massive chonker. Look at it in comparison to this. It's like Goldilocks versus Mama Bear over here, so this thing is ginormous. But anyway, this is my wife's loadout in here. So if I open up this outer compartment and all their little zipper compartments, I can go through all the stuff she has in here. So we got some leave-in conditioner. It's a 10. Got Dr. Jart Every Sunday Ultra Sheer Priming Sunscreen Stick. I don't even know what's in here, so this is all a surprise to me. Sorry if I'm reading it sarcastically. I don't mean to. Then, got your Deep Stain Remover Daily Toothpaste. Some Tretinoin 0.025% cream. Got your Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. But the one thing we have in common is our love of the Surrey toothbrush. And she just recently got one. She got the pink one. I have the red. So we got his and hers Surrey toothbrushes, and I absolutely love these freaking things. Highly suggest if you want a nice, packable, easy to use electric toothbrush. I've been in love with these things. So that's what she's got in this little kit over here. And then this thing is so massive that you got some other pockets as well. So there is this outer felt pocket, but she doesn't have anything in there. And then this top one, it just holds, you know, the little hanging kit for the gravel pouch. So it's actually a really, really nice pouch. It's just way too big for me. Really nice zippers and materials. And then in this other compartment, she's got it loaded out even more. So what do we got in here? She's got some Aquaphor Baby Healing Balm Stick. Got Laneige Water Bank Hyaluronic Blue. What is this, like cream? Oh, it smells good. It's a cool little container. Got Nexus Advanced Invisible Clean Flex Adapt Dry Shampoo. Man, you people with hair take a lot of maintenance. Then we got Kiehl's Ultra Facial Meltdown Recovery Cream. Kiehl's is good stuff, though. I do admit I am a skincare addict, so I'm a big fan of the Kiehl's. We got Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. Got Salt and Stone deodorant. Oh, this is some really nice deodorant. Salt and Stone is great. This smells amazing, actually. I do highly recommend the Salt and Stone stuff. Then we got some Kitsch Hair Wax Stick. You know, if you need to wax your hair up. I'm one to talk, though. I use beard wax, so, you know, it is what it is. Then the last thing we got in here, what even is this? Cale Ocho. Is this perfume? Oh my God, this smells incredible. Cale Ocho, really great perfume. This smells wonderful. I think I'm in love. But yeah, she's got her stuff totally loaded out compared to my little DOP kit here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that not everyone's a minimalist, not everyone has to pack like me, and I respect those that don't pack like me. So if you don't pack like me, that's cool. I just show you how I pack. So if you don't pack like me, please don't leave comments saying that I pack like an idiot and that yours is the only way to pack, because I'm not sitting here telling you that your way is a crappy way of packing. Everyone's way of packing that works for them is good with me. My wife's way is good, your way is good, my way is good. If it keeps you clean and you're not stinky, then it works. What about you? What do you load your DOP kit with? Are you a minimalist, a maximalist, somewhere in the middle? What's your favorite pouch? What's your favorite loadout? I'd love to know in the comments below. Thank you as always for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and watching in general. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.